Welcome back to BrookeNJake Make, where I'm not Brooke.
And I'm not Jake.
Today we're going to be building a climbing station for our niece.
It's going to be a modification of a Pikler's Triangle, and we will have a rock climbing wall to go with it, as well as a PVC pipe slide.
But we did get this idea, we stole it from another group over at Wicked Makers.
Yeah.
They have a really great video that follows along pretty much the exact design of what a Pikler's Triangle is.
And they did the rock climbing wall modification. So we're kind of following theirs, but adding our own little twist to it.
Yeah, we want to make a platform as our twist, and then some colors.
Yeah.
Yeah. So let's get started then.
Okay, so we have 16 total rungs cut, 8 for each side of the triangle, and I'm going to spray paint them, each a different color, to add a little bit of brightness to it and make it kind of fun.
Now we're gonna drill the holes for all of the poles to rest in before we glue them up. What we went ahead and did is drilled a hole using a 1-inch Forstner bit all the way through this test piece so that we don't have any walking from side to side. And then we're gonna set that on top of our working piece and drill where Brooke marked all the spots, which was actually at 3, 9, 15, 21, 27, 33, 39, 43.
You
Bingo!
just won the lottery!
Oh, I wanted to yell bingo. I liked yours though better.
Alright, now we're gonna do our rainbow glue up of all the rungs to the legs.
Rainbows.
Okay, we probably should have done the step that we're about to do next before we attach the poles together. But what we're going to do is we're going to round off each end of the legs, and then we're going to round them off with a bucket. And then we're going to round off all the edges with a round over bit on a plunge router.
But first we have to bucket. So here's how we bucket.
Bucket it.
Alright, so we have the sides of our ladder built, and now we just have to attach them together, and then it's going to be time to get started on the walk wall.
On the walk wall?
Yeah, it's filled with walks, so that you can climb it and become a noodle.
Okay, so we finally got both pieces for the sides measured to the right amount that they're supposed to be at. We figured out what our next step is and what we're supposed to be doing. So now we're going to attach all of the hardware, including these little knobs, so that way the ladder, Pikler's Triangle, will be collapsible and easily stored.
To position these better and make sure we have them where we want, we're going to put the ones that we traced onto the floor and get our angle lined up, and then we will clamp the top to match it, and drill the top first and then go down to the bottom.
One eternity later.
Boy, have we struggled with this final hinge pivot connector a lot. So we have both sides we think done. Let's flip
see
it
if
over
it'll close.
and see if it collapses. What do you think? Do you think it will or won't?
I think there's a 50-50 shot that it will or won't.
Well, those are the correct statistics. Like, yes. It's a 1 in 2 chance. It will or it won't.
The next day.
So it's yesterday's tomorrow, and what we're going to try and accomplish today is add a bench top on it so that when we add a slide or other kind of add-on ramps that you can do with these, she has a place to sit and get adjusted and a platform to push up on instead of just doing little pull-up to climb it. This is our outro this time. Not too much to it. Pretty frustrating project, but it was for Christmas, and it's February.
And this project's finally done. Except I still have to edit it all. But it's done for you guys now.
And honestly, it's a pretty awesome little build.
It is.
And our niece gets a ton of fun out of it.
Mm-hmm.
And it helps with a lot of different growing daily life, so she'll probably be able to use it until she's like 9.
Yeah.
Yeah.
She'll have a lot of fun with it. So we're happy with it. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe and hit that like button. Comment if we needed to do anything differently, although we know a lot of things that we needed to do differently.
You should brace your stuff and make sure it's supported if you want it to, you know, not fall apart as soon as you pick it up. And that's a good key tip right there.
Yep.
But we still had fun with it, and that goes along with
doing something that makes us happy every single day.
Yeah.
So just remember to keep doing that and make sure you subscribe.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Watch our other videos.
Yeah.
Please.
Bye. First 4 minutes.
How did you do this?